Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is number 9648. You could find it by looking through my videos, but I think it's time to do something to it. And so I shall. That was Decor Americana 24 karat gold. And I'm thinking about making this into a geometric, as you might have guessed. This is frozen. This is Midnight Shadow. Chances are there'll be some black in here before long. I might even throw a little white in. We'll wait on that. Got some Rhapsody Rose. Got some Tickled Pink. Some of these colors might require a white or a lighter background. Let's see what happens. I want orange, but I'm afraid to put it on the canvas with the blue. Not ready yet. I could just use a toothy tool. I still want some orange. That looks better to me already. Wow. But it's not keeping me from wanting some black. So I might as well just give myself permission right now. I hope I can make it work out. My plan is still to use some toothy tools. Not sure about that. Maybe I'll grab some now, see how I like it. Well, it's early days and I can always spatula right back over. This painting's been telling me how pretty the colors are for quite some time, but not how to resolve my issues with it. I'm going to see if I can grab my nail art tool and possibly one of my spatula heads. It actually needed a whole lot less paint than I anticipated. And I might want to come back after it's dry and add another layer. Or I might not, because I really am liking what I'm seeing. So much for the nail art tool. I love exposing the colors underneath, especially on the arc. Still want some orange. Oh, I'm losing my ability to scrape through because it's drying already. But I might be really entirely interested in doing this again sometime. I don't know if I need any orange. I really like what I've got. That was fast. Well, outside of the fact that I've got some paint on my spatula, that was kind of miraculous. And I love it. I should call it quits, but I'm having a good time. It's hard to stop. I'm inclined to put a little bit of black in there. I could use my silicone brushes, but I think I might still want to grab a somewhat wide one. I don't know how much more complicated I want to make this. It's definitely feeling a lot like a city. I'm extremely happy with this, just the way it is. And if I change my mind, I can do something about it tomorrow. Can't wait to see it dry. So I didn't have a lot of time to work on this yesterday, and I thought it was pretty good when I stopped, but I see this morning that I'd like to do this. I'd like to do more. And I'd like to include some white, that I might put things. So I'm going to try and use some very thin lines of white. And I might come back in with some black or probably some midnight shadow. But that's a start. I don't mind how that looks. I wish I could just leave them right there like that. Just like to break things up a little bit. And I thought when I looked at it originally I would want to go vertically. But right now I'm still doing what I was doing yesterday. And I want to try some yellow and some red violet. I like that already, but I want to try some stuff. This is another spatula head. I'm not sure I like that one. Let's try the wider one. Not sure about that either. Sometimes otter marks work better for me. I thought about using my silicone rubber brushes and putting some paint down in a container, which I could still do. if it was amicable. Not looking like, whoa, I guess we just broke that out. And the other color I want is some orange. And both of those bottles are being problematic. I'm going to have to clean the tips out. That's some more dancing fuchsia, I think. Keep an eye out for little lumps of things that do not belong. I thought about doing black, and I'm not done thinking about that yet either. The dancing fuchsia actually makes kind of interesting color over the yellow. I'm going to try the black. Maybe with a smaller brush. I wanted more gold too, but then I thought about silver. That sort of stole my interest for a minute. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.